Hello guys, welcome to another video of this channel. Now today we're going to be talking about a Gumroad, right? Or basically discuss what the platform does and how we can actually participate here. So Gumroad, what basically happens here? So here you get paid to basically sell your products and services. Yeah, that's it. Then go from zero to dollar, right? You can sell maybe small services like possibly maybe design services. You might sell maybe things like I don't know, blogs, books, things like that, right? So that's basically what you do. As you can see, you sell anything like a product, like how to play an ukulele. This is actually a course, kind of a music course, right? Got like video lessons, and people actually make monthly subscriptions, right? So sell to anyone, right? You go from zero to a dollar, and you have automated workflows. I let your customers pay in their own currency. You choose between one-time recurring fixed length payments, and you sell from different parts of the world, and you can actually use your personal website to sell yourself, like kind of link it right here with the Gumroad. So I did a bit of research on Gumroad, and it has 1.3 stars out of what, 356 reviews, which is bad. Most people do have a bad experience overall with this platform, and some of these included having issues with payments, unexpected fees, and lack of clarity like in the fee structure that they're paying right here. So yeah, most of them are bad, like 83% 1 stars. That's bad. And they said instead of building a company, you can try to sell a side projects. They don't want you to do a lot of things. You can sell in a bits, right? And their idea basically is to start very small, then you learn quickly, you get better, and it's kind of the model that they kind of present, right? So you sell basically short services rather than writing a book. You can just sell a blog. That's basically how this platform works. And so far so good. They've paid 1,955,820 dollars, and I think this was the amount of money that was earned by entrepreneurs like last week. So that's actually good. And you can actually see some of the kind of reviews from sellers right here. And like Max Alchemy said, I launched a Max Packs as an experimental side gig, but within 2 years, those progress brushes were earning more than my 6-figure salary in CG. So yeah, unlimited possibilities. So what can you sell right now? The best selling products that you can sell on Gumroad. So you can sell maybe meditation lessons, maybe programs about After Effects, education lessons, coloring, programming, textures, create, different things, right? Notion templates, uh, things like that. And these are some of the products that you can sell. It's kind of like a book, right? The featured products. This one is called The Order of the Stick. A small book, right? It's for $14, goes for $14. And so far, so good. It's been reviewed 17 times. This one, I don't know, it's more like a magazine or something like that. I don't know, possibly maybe a mod, or actually it's a mod. So it's a game mod, right? Which is fascinating, right? That people sell game mods right here, just £20. This one is called My Pro subscription. Google My Business. ICU Pocket Notes, right? Spotify Premium License Key. Yeah, people sell these kind of things, so some of software programs that you can actually sell here, things like that, digital art basically. And so far so good. Gumroad has like 253,933 creators who have earned over 1 point something billion, but 1 point something billion dollars on this platform selling digital products. And you can join using Facebook, Google, X, Stripe, blah blah blah. And in order to start registering, you need to put like your email right here and also your password, and then you create your account right here. And this will give you like this kind of dashboard, right? And on the right side, right, you have the home, products, collaborations, checkout, emails, workflow, sales, analytics, payout. And here you do have what the getting started option, right? This will basically highlight kind of like steps, right? Then you need to take to build your Gumroad account, right? So since we have done, right, this has been ticked, this has been ticked, and make an impression, you customize your profile, right? So you have to fill out your profile to the brink, and then you have to create like a first product right here, then get your first follower, make your first sell, and then get your first payout, making waves, send out your first email blast, sign up for small bets. As you can see, like these are kind of like stages that you kind of like go through, like kind of where you are right now. As you can see, I am here, right? I'm still kind of filling my profile. I haven't created a first product or something like that. For the activity, you get like balances, right? Like current balance in the last 7 days, last 28 days, and your total earnings that you currently have. Then on products, we've got like product. I've been creating a new product. If I need to create a new product, I have to come here and then start out, right? And then here I've got the affiliated, possibly the businesses that I'm affiliated with that I'm actually marketing on their behalf. And here I've got the collabs, people that I'm collaborating or business that I'm collaborating with. And for affiliated, you can become an affiliate, right? Sell, refer people actually, and right, yeah. So you can earn some side income if you're not actively creating your own products. Simply refer people and then earn. Then collabs, right? You can create a first collab of a product in collaboration with another Gumroad creator. So collaborators, I don't have any yet. Check out, of course, I haven't bought anything or something like that, so I don't have any discounts or things like that. Emails, I haven't any that I've sent to customers. Right, you've got publish, schedule, drafts, and subscribers. Workflows, if you want to create like a new workflow, if you are working on a certain project or things like that, then we got the cells. As you can see, I don't have cells. If I have ones, they will be displayed here. Analytics, you see the cells and followings and links and things like that. Payout. So for a payout, I have to at least reach $10 to at least to get paid, right? For the settings, okay, this is the profile, team, payments, password, third party, analytics advanced. So now these ones I can actually change a few things or probably set a few things like on the user details. Okay, this is my email. I can change it if it's not the one that I want. And then on the notifications, I can actually change which notifications that I need. For example, purchases, if I need to get notified about that. Free downloads, that recurring payments, I need to notify that. I just need to click on these. Very, very important. And I can actually change the time zones here to basically suit mine and also the currency. And if I want, I can basically allow them to show like adult content recommendations on my stuff, and also prevent other people from adding me as an affiliate, right? Very, very nice options to have. You change your username right here, your name, your bio, what you're all about, right? And where you're located, choose your country, and of course, when you're validating, right, in the payouts, they need you to have this. You must have a valid government ID, proof of residence, and of course, like in the signing process, you have to click that you're signing as a business. And custom domain, if you have a domain for your website, you can actually put it here. Then if there are certain emails that you want to block, put them there. But very, very, very important. So as I've said, like guys, you will be selling your courses, your videos, or whatever, subscriptions, sometimes keys, some are selling game modes. So you sell different things right here. So again, you can read some of these reviews to kind of understand what people saying, right? The perception of different people. As you can see, like the reviews are actually very, very, very bad. A negative of 83%, right, out of 356. That's bad. So I'll say do a little bit more digging if you want to participate here, so that at least you get more information and you don't have to waste your time or anything like that. So apart from that, there isn't much that I can say about Gumroad. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Until then, see you on the next one.